We've got 2011 Chevy Equinox, and we've got a right front wheel speed sensor that is showing bad on the scan tool. So we're gonna go ahead and pull the wheel off. All right, so we got the wheel off. We're on the front right of the vehicle. I'm gonna go ahead and open the new ABS sensor, and that's the Dorman part number that I bought. The link will be in the description below. You get it from Amazon, free shipping. The wire, and I think it's gonna be, I followed it, it goes in behind this panel here. So I'm gonna pull this off just so it's easier to see. All right, and right here you can see the connection. This is just a 10mm bolt. And we should be able to pull that right out. I can't really see anything. Yeah, I can't see anything down in that hole. So we're gonna go ahead and change the sensor and see if that helps our situation. Okay, we'll start with reinstalling the new speed sensor here. Alright, so I'm looking at this, and from the sensor on the 1/2/3 little isolator here, that's where our clip is mounted. So we'll go. There's the first one, second one, and third one. I'll put this back on here where it came off of. Okay, so that's there. And then Alright. Alright, and then our plug is going to come around. Push till you hear the click, and then there's that tab, and then we'll put this cover back on. Alright, we got the speed sensor installed. Speed sensor may have been like $23 if I remember correctly. But anyway, there will be links in the description for the speed sensor as well as some other tools that might make the job easier. So if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. And if this video was helpful, either let me know that by commenting or just give a thumbs up. Either way helps me know that what I'm doing is actually helping people. And I appreciate you watching. Thank you.